So hey guys, I never did an official workspace tour, and I was gonna clean it up, but realistically this is the cleanest it's probably ever gonna get, and I can't really keep it that clean just because all the shit that I have to do. So I thought, fuck it, I'll just do it now. So hopefully shaky cam doesn't bother you guys. It's been a while since I've done one of these, and just, I don't know, it's been a while. I can go in depth with certain shit I have in my workspace and in my work area. So I actually am lucky, and I don't work in my bedroom like a lot of artists have to. I used to. This is this is an extra room on top of our bedroom, which is next door. And so let's just start. So I'm going to start with the most important area, which is my basic workspace. So here is my blue Yeti that a amazing subscriber actually sent to me because they had a spare one and they didn't want it and they hated my voice quality, so they were like, hey, heard you want a mic, so I'll send it to you. And I'm like, oh shit, cool. So that, my Starbucks cup that I usually use for water, I actually never actually have gotten Starbucks in my Starbucks cup. My other water bottle because I need water all the time, and then a water cup because water. Some Vaseline, a nail file, more Vaseline. I usually don't have both of these in here. One of these usually stays in the bedroom, but Cody stole my favorite one, which was this one, because I like the coconut butter. There's a pen, there's my black nail polish. My nails are naked right now. In here I have my backup art and fan art stuff. Mostly all my backups are on these little mini hard drives, or thumb drives, whatever. I have a wallet, just random crap. I don't know what that is. More random crap. Wi-Fi info, sticky notes. I'm probably going to go back to these. These are really old characters, but these were corner bookmarks. So I wanted it to look better than it does now, because I didn't plan it when I cut it, but I wanted it to be just their eyes, so they're watching you while you read, and it's like they're keeping their spot. So corner bookmark, these are done with Copic. This is my character. Oh my god, what's your name? This one belongs to Dakota, and the dude belongs to me. So we're just going to put that back there. My prescription sunglasses are here. Guess I'll go through my amiibos and joke. My Magic the Gathering cards are here because, yeah, I'm a nerd. Some lotion because I dry out. All of my amiibos because I don't have a cool amiibo shelf. I have Bayonetta Player 2. I have Samus. I've got Squishy. I've got Poochie. I've got Squid Girl. And I have the whole Squid Kid set Gen 1. I've got 8-Bit Lonk. I've got some Yoshis back there. I got male Corrin because I thought this was female Corrin. I didn't want male Corrin, but I got male Corrin, so whatever. And then I have Blue Squid Kid. I got Horse Lonk from Breath of the Wild. I have the entire wedding set for Mario. I have Twilight Princess Lonk. I have Archer Lonk. And I have back here, it's some fairy lights. I have my Art Rambles mug on my Redbubble store. I wanted to test it, so I just keep random bookmarks in here. I have, a bunch of bookmarks in here. So, because I'm trying to actually use bookmarks, and then that's a bookmark too. But I have it back, because it's technically a spoiler for one of my stories. So, I don't want you to see his design. So then I have another bookmark here. This one's for... Oh, shit! Long Kwai. Just stay there. Stay there, Long. Be good. So... these are, really old crack characters that Anna and I used to have together. And so I still like this bookmark, and so I keep it as a reminder of what was the joys of Crackland. Because I'm actually in Crackland again with another friend right now. And then just, I have my Luigi Nendoroid who got knocked over from the fairy lights. And then I actually have a Link Nendoroid that's leaning back here. Normally he's set up all cool, but... when we were gone on vacation, my father-in-law cleaned the room without telling me, so a lot of stuff got moved around, and I just haven't had the care to fix it. So, I have some chopsticks and a glass mug and a fan from my buddy's wedding. I have my custom Mickey ears here. I have 2 sets, so here's one. Really fucking cute. I haven't been to Disneyland in, forever, but my friend of mine made it for me. Also, hope you don't mind, I'm in my robe, because it's cold. And this one, I like this one a lot. It's a Day of the Dead one. Oh no, the bow's all, janky. But it's really, really fucking cute. And then, random witch ladder. Some plushies. My little Tetsu plushie that a buddy of mine made me years ago. They knitted it. So she protects me. And then I got a little Pumpkaboo. And back down to the workspace. So here's just my random crap shelf, because it's too small to put anything useful. I have my Huion pen, and the Huion pen and charger back here. These are where I keep my ACOs. This is an old phone of Cody's. This is filled with coffee. This is back when I had a stomach ache. And then here's my salt lamp. I put tea lights in it. There was a tea light in it. More nail polish, some eye drops because I get eye strain real bad. My glasses, my Wacom pen, and my smudge guard / tablet glove. My laptop, which I'll go into in a minute. So my classic iPod, because I'm old and I like that. And then I have the charger for it, and then bells for charms I want to make, some tea I got, random crap. This is really just a random crap where like, oh look, there's pills! You know? And I have like a bunch of smudge guards that just I got on sale and I didn't know it came in a pack, so I have backup smudge guards. Let's see, my random napkins, my little bandanas I use for my sketchbook tours, one of those wallets that, like, you know, stops people from detecting and stealing your shit, some lotion, I think I have, like, hand sanitizer in there, I think it's just random crap. This is Cody's drawer, so I'm not going to open it, because he has, like, information and stuff in here. I have highlighters, and that's not me farting, that's my stupid chair. I have some matcha Pocky, some highlighters, my little, power hub, my wireless charger for my phone, some pills, because I don't have vitamins, my backup hard drive, and then a random notebook and power supply. And then I have my computer, which is my Toshiba Cosmeo, which I still have, which has got just random stickers on it. And then I have my Wacom Cintiq here. And then under here, I have the Huion, and then I have the stand, and then I have my light box, and I have a couple of other things in here, like the power supply for the Huion and everything else. So, I'm working on my Cintiq just because I need to get some stuff done. I haven't been able to dick around with the Huion like I wanted to. So that'll hopefully come in like a month, and then I have my random crap drawer, and then there's a Binks playing with a headset. Hi, Binks. Good cat. So, it's my random crap drawer. As it says, this is full of random crap. Dummy eraser, random crap, birth control. Some ballpoint pens, because these are like my favorite pens of all time, and I can't fucking find them anywhere. These are more personal stuff, so I'm not going to open those. I guess I can open this one. This one's my, like, you gotta be fat drawer. Because I'm trying to lose weight, so in doing so, I get, like, the tiny sweets, and I'll be like, okay, so instead of, you know, getting a giant bowl of fucking ice cream, I'll be like, there, 2 little Reese's peanut butter cups if I have something sweet, so that, and then I have my washi tape, and some more leftover candy. Then there's my Dr. Strange trash can, I'll go over there in a minute. But here's my other side, because these pull out. This is my phone, with my Gabriel Belmont case, because he is a good boy. A pen, and then a notebook I was just writing notes down for, because I actually like writing on paper. So I'll just put over here. So, close that, pull this out. This is where I keep, oh, this is the zine I recently got in. But this is where I keep my planner. I got one of those, like, happy, smiley, whatever the fuck it's called, planners, where, like, you can pull it out. And so that's been helping me a lot. So I keep my planner in here, and I also keep all my art books and stuff in here. So, and these are the pens I write with the planner in. And this is the washi tape I was currently using. That's got an address I needed to remember. So, but under this, I have all of my art books / art of books and other things. And then down there is my fan art folder. Binks, stay away. So that's what's in there. I might go in depth in that drawer sometime in the future, but that time is right. So, okay, let's see. I guess here is my sad bookcase. I also have more books, if you can see. The lighting's bad. I have way more stacks of books down here that I'm debating on what to do with, because they came in my owl crates, and they are nothing that I read. I'm not saying they're bad, they are definitely not my taste in books. So I've got like 7 books here that I'm debating on either giving to the library or just selling online, like reselling used on Amazon. So that I keep all my prints in here, because I can't hang them up. So these are all the prints I have for artists. I keep them safe so I can get them framed someday. Here's all of my Copics, because my Copics used to... Ah! Binks! I sat on my cat. That's great. I used to keep all my Copics in here, but I needed the space for the art books because my poor bookcase is being filled with books. So my 2 piggy banks. This one Cody gave me, and this one I got in the loot crate because fuck yeah, Hellboy. So yeah, so I got some Stephen King. Got some. This is Holly Brown's book. I got the Kickstarter edition. Some more books. My other notebook, a herbology book. I got the Castle Harry Potter set, and there's more books behind them. I like reading. Oh, I guess I could show this. And then for Christmas, I got... Oh, look, more books! Huh, what do you know? I actually want a bigger bookcase, so I can actually have a bookcase, but I have to be when we move. So, I got some... If I can pull this out. So for Christmas / my birthday, I got a lot of gift cards, and so I was able to get the... I believe it was the 150 pack of Prismacolor colored pencils. I've never actually had it. I used to have a big set, but I never used them, and then I gave them to my friend who was using them more, and I don't regret it, because I never used them, and she did, but I was like, shit, I wanted to learn colored pencils again, and so I was able to get gift cards, and so I only spent like $30 on the like 150 pack, so that's a great deal. And then I got the case, just to keep them all somewhere safe and organized. I can zip it. Where's the... Oh my god, where did the zipper go? Here's my sad altar that I have to fix. Because, like I said, my father-in-law cleaned while we were gone, so it's my altar cloth. I have some candles I made for, you know, reasons. And then my pendulum, just a key, Binks water, more altar candles, my tarot cards. This was a charm I made that broke and I can't... Oh, well, it's gone. Whatever. And then those are some candles I'm going to reuse because they didn't burn properly. Let's see, and then there's just my crap section. Oh, look, a bra. There's my crap drawers and my wallet and my keys and a lamp. So that's over there. Over here is the Cody's chair. He was given this chair by his grandfather, and he, like, never uses it and never comes in here because the TV we have in this room is really dinky, and he'd rather just be in our room using our TV. So when we move, we're going to have this really nice chair. I like reading in this chair, but I also just kind of put crap on it. So here's my purse. What the fuck? Oh, look, underwear. So that's my pencil case and stuff. This is from our vacation. I just never cleaned it out because I moved to my backpack, which this is a mess. I have to mail shit out, so that's why that's there. This is my backpack that I got for Christmas. My mom got me. It's a really nice Beauty and the Beast long fly backpack. I've been using it when I have tinier things, except now it's full of stuff that I have to clean out and reuse. And then I'll go over here, and then there's a Binks. That's a spare TV we got. Let's see, so these are just falling apart, but here's all my inks. All of my poor inks are getting all coagulated because I haven't used them in so long. But all of my Bombay painting inks are in these nice little... I bought the bottles on Amazon so I can have them in nice dropper forms, and then my normal ink, I think this is a magnet. Yeah, it's a magnet. Some deodorant, a chili jar I use to put other things in, some sketchbooks, my wand from Ollivanders that my brother got for my birthday a couple years ago. Some bags, because in California you have to pay for bags now, so whenever I go shopping I just grab these. My purses, a cute little tea infuser that I got for my birthday from my aunt. So in here is my pin section of this and random loot crate stuff. I don't really use this, and I really don't like this shelf. So here are my other markers that aren't my Copics, and random brushes. And then I use these to refill my ink pens, and then I have the water brush pens for when I paint. It'll close. Here was a little plaque that came with my handbag of holding. You can get... Here's where I keep watercolors, my glass dip pen, big Sharpie, some yeast, because I cook bread and I didn't want to lose this. So yeah, I have yeast in here. Random crap. I think this is just brushes. Yeah, those are just brushes and other crap. More random crap. More random crap. My button making stuff, because here's my button maker. I do plan on making a video when I can get a better printout, because I don't own my own printer, so there will be a video making under that, and then under the printer, what it's on, I keep all my receipts in for, like, tax reasons. Here are my watercolors that I got for my birthday that Cody got me. He got me a really nice set of core watercolors, so I keep the tubes in here. And look, a pad. And then some incense, a really old Tetsu keychain I want to redo, some stock photos, a Newt Scamander Funko Pop Q thing, my shoes, more crap, don't care. So, this lamp that my father-in-law got me, and let's see. I mean, I could show a bit more, I guess. So here's like our knickknack / bookshelf shelf. I'm not allowed to put my books on here, but these books are allowed to stay here, so that's why there's these random books. So this is mostly where Cody and I just put our figure crap. So here's some books that Cody got for his birthday, and some books that are glued to the bookcase because it looks nice. And then I got Cody this piston cup from Cars Land because Cody loves cars. Han Solo Funko. I don't know what that is. A car. Some of Cody's pop figures because he likes Fallout. Another car. Can you tell Cody likes cars? Really old picture of me from fucking high school. Ew. Ew. And Cody's old cat. That's like 15-year-old me. So, ugh. Coke bottle. Some random figures we got in Loot Crate. Most of this is like our Loot Crate thing because we got some Funkos and shit. So like, this was cool. We like this. We got Captain America's shield. Oh shit. Stay. So, a Hot Wheel of this, it's so dusty. A Hot Wheel of Sam and Dean's Impala. This is cool from Supernatural. I think that's Jessica Jones. Cody's figure for Horizon Zero Dawn. World's Worst car stuff. Mega Man that neither Cody and I play, so we don't care. This was cool. This was a Space Invaders thing. Another car! And a thingy. I do like this thing, though. Deadpool. We got an alien. Got a Hulk. Got another car. Got another car. Look, a Hot Wheel. More cars. This is where I keep important, like, program information. Some bottles. Old Wolverine. Another car! And another car! And bullets, I guess. So there's bullets. Bag of bullets. So, another car! It's the Mach 5 and Cody's manga collection for the Mach 5. Random James Dean picture, because Cody likes James Dean. Don't know what that is. Hoverboard from Back to the Future. Oh look, another car from Back to the Future. Our Loki Funko. My Black Rose and a guitar. Fallout shot glasses I bought for Cody's birthday. Cody's water bottle. Another car. The Oregon Trail, the game. A spare box of tea that I don't think I've opened yet. A drinking bowl for Banks, and then more. Oh look, more pads and random crap. So that's, and then my clothing bag from my trip that I still haven't unpacked. Yeah, that's pretty much. Oh, I feel bad, but I don't have a good spot for this. Here's my headset that an amazing subscriber bought me. I love this thing. I'm just not using it right now, so that's why it's over here in the safety chair. But yeah, that's my workspace. If you guys ever wondered what my workspace looks like and junk and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and as always, I will. See you next time. Bye!